Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we slice and dice products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, pitting the Canon EOS R7 against the Canon EOS R100. It's like the heavyweight championship of photography, but with fewer punches and more pixels. So grab your favorite beverage and let's see who comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The EOS R7 is going to set you back about $1,499, which is a serious investment. Reviewers note that while it's pricey, its excellent build quality and advanced features make it worth the money for serious photographers. On the other hand, the EOS R100 is much friendlier at $829. Many users appreciate this budget-friendly option, especially those just starting out in photography, allowing them to save some bucks for other essentials while still capturing beautiful images. Now let's strap our lenses on and focus on the image sensors. The R7 boasts a whopping 32.5 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor, praised by users for producing crisp photos and performing exceptionally well, even in challenging conditions like wildlife photography. In contrast, the R100 has a respectable 24.1 megapixel sensor, which is still appreciated for its clear picture quality, especially by beginners looking to improve their skills. However, some users feel that it doesn't quite match the R7's capabilities in terms of detail and sharpness. Next, let's talk about continuous shooting speeds. The R7 captures up to 15 frames per second, making it a favorite among sports and wildlife photographers. Reviewers have praised this speed for capturing fast action perfectly. Meanwhile, the R100 can shoot at 6.5 frames per second, which is sufficient for casual photography but doesn't quite compete with the R7 for fast-paced moments. Casual users find this speed adequate for family gatherings and everyday moments, but it lacks the burst capabilities for serious action shots. Now let's talk autofocus. The R7 features a sophisticated dual-pixel autofocus system with 5-axis image stabilization, ensuring that your shots remain clear and steady, even in tricky conditions. Reviewers rave about its reliable autofocus capabilities, especially for dynamic photography. Conversely, the R100 also has dual-pixel CMOS OAF, but with fewer focus zones, leading some users to express frustration with its performance in fast-moving situations. It's still manageable for casual photographers, but not as reliable as the R7 for action shots. Let's not forget about the screens. The R7 has a vibrant LED display that's anti-smudge coated, which users have found essential for maintaining clarity during shoots. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it keeps their artistic vision free from distractions. On the flip side, the R100 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. However, some users miss the vibrant display of the R7 while taking pictures, indicating a desire for a more premium experience as they capture family memories. In summary, the Canon EOS R7 is highly praised for its advanced features, making it ideal for serious photographers, while the EOS R100 is celebrated as an excellent entry-level camera for beginners. Reviewers appreciate the R7's superior image quality and speed, whereas the R100 is recognized for its affordability and ease of use. So after all that, which camera should you choose? If you're a serious photographer looking for advanced features and don't mind dropping a few extra bucks, the EOS R7 is your golden ticket. But if you're more of a casual shooter who wants great images without breaking the bank, the EOS R100 is the way to go. At the end of the day, remember, it's not about the camera, it's about the memories you capture. So which one will you choose? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow photo enthusiasts. Until next time, keep snapping smartly.